So we are here guys in Diana's. And mega love shout out. Thank you for making my hair beautiful. Ayan, the mother. Oh, ayan. Yes. My mother talaga is so, may model. Threading. Ayan, tingnan mo yung mga nails, talagang kakaiba. Dito. So, ang kagagawa namin Mother Jo from Duty. Ayan na kayo form pamper. Tingnan mo yung uniform. Dito kami, pamper mo daw. So, we are here guys in Diana's. And shout out. Thank you for making my hair beautiful. Ayan, the mother. Ayan. My mother talaga is so, may model. Threading. Ayan yun. Tingnan mo yung mga nails, talagang kakaiba. Dito. So, ang kagagawa namin Mother Jo from Duty. Ayan na kayo ng form pamper. Tingnan mo yung uniform. Dito kami, pamper mo guys. So guys, nandito kami ng Mother Dear guys. May Mother Dear is nice. At Diana's guys. The nails na there. The nails. So we are here guys. Diana's. Mega love shout out. Thank you for making my hair beautiful. Ayan, the mother. Oh, ayan. Yes. My mother talaga is so, may model. Threading. Ayan, tingnan mo yung mga nails, talagang kakaiba. Dito. So, ang kagagawa namin Mother Jo from Duty. Ayan na kayo ng form pamper. Tingnan mo yung uniform mo. So, dito kami, pamper na zones. So, successful yung day namin for pampering ourselves with my Mother Jo. Sometimes naman talaga, it's kailangan may time din tayo para sa ating mga sarili. Hindi puro work na lang, diba? So, this is us with my Mother Jo here in UAE. And after that one, pumunta din kami ng kainan. So, first time namin dito sa ganitong place. Pero, ayan, it is a Filipino restaurant. And, so far, hindi namin antay yung aming dito, yung aming order. So, tinake out na lang namin, guys. And, meron din kami talagang extra na juice na binigay sila sa amin. So, this is our day. This is our successful day. A productive day. Nakapag-pampering ourselves kami together. Ang saya lang din. Kasi, diba, nagbanding din kami. Alam niyo ba, guys? This is my Mother Jo na talagang for how many years siya yung nagluluto ng aking food. Kaya I am so, Busyang 18 is so grateful for this wonderful person. And hanggang ngayon, pag magka-duty kami, diba, may extra food talaga siya for Busyang 18. Diba, nakakatuwa talaga. Iba talaga yung mga may touch of being a mother. Ma'am Jo, my mother, thank you so much. at talagang love mo siyang ipin. God bless you more. When this world is feeling, you'll be safe here. When nobody this is free, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here.
It's like being lost in heaven. When I'm lost in your eyes, I get weak and even less. Isn't this what's all romance? Oh, I've been when I'm lost in your may tinatago.
each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Whoa. with me, say with me. But remember, it's not to play. Hold me close, make me stray. That was the shore. Hold me close.
Girl tayo. Yung wala nagluto ng ano, ng cake. Nabilino pala. Ay, sorry. Kaya pala eh. Anong ginagawa mo, madam?